Hi team, we're at 20 Vogel Street today and I'm really excited about this property. How about you, Mark?
Well, I'm pleased you asked, Shelley. Look, I'm really rapt to be here too. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a fantastic standalone property. 2 very large bedrooms, internal access garage, great indoor-outdoor, perfect location, heaps of room. You've got to come and see us. We're doing private viewings and open homes. Give Mark and Shelley a call. Mark and Shelley, Mike Pero, Invercargill.